Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a review video. Once again, you guys know I love filming review videos and you guys love watching review videos as well. And today's review video is all about hair care, and by the title of this video you guys have guessed that I will be talking about the TikTok viral The Ordinary Hair Density Serum. Now, I saw this TikTok video literally a year ago or months and months ago, literally a long time ago, and I've seen many videos all regarding this because it has been really viral on TikTok, and honestly, whatever TikTok influencers, we have to go and buy it. So this is the Ordinary multi-peptide serum for hair density. I really was intrigued by this product because I wanted a bit more like thicker hair, more denser hair, because I have a little bit of hair fallout, and everybody I feel like is suffering with hair fallout during this lockdown. And honestly, I don't know why I'm leaning this way. I feel like my camera is a bit, let me put my camera a bit this way. Yes. So yeah, I have seen a little bit of fallout throughout my hair and I wanted to give this product a go. So I went to Cult Beauty, where I always get the ordinary stuff. I went to Cult Beauty, I always get some lovely stuff from there. Honestly, I'm a huge fan of Cult Beauty, so not sponsored by the way. I went to Cult Beauty and I got the Ordinary Hair Serum, and I've been using this, oh god, it's been a very long time now. I feel like it's been nearly a year, or definitely 10 months, because you only need a few drops. I'm gonna get into application in a little bit. You only need a few drops and it lasts a very long time. So what is this exactly is this product? What does it do for your hair? And have I seen any results? I'm gonna get all of this questions right answered for you all, but let me just get onto the website. And what is this exactly? Basically, it's a concentrated peptide infused hair serum to promote fuller, healthier looking hair. It's basically, why is it so called? So stripping back to unnecessary packaging and misleading ingredients, The Ordinary has taken up the skincare industry with the umbrella of the eye-watering reasonable prices, and it's now branched out into hair care. It's basically transforming lackluster looks everywhere, promising thicker, denser, fuller and healthier hair. This concentrated serum unites potent natural extracts, peptides and caffeine to transform your hair root to the tip. In terms of the ingredients, is there anything bad? It's got glycerin, it's got caffeine. What else does it have? It's got loads of acids. It's got anything I know? No. All of the other ingredients are literally like how the Germans would say Bahnhof. I don't really know the other ingredients. Honestly, I'm not a dermatologist, and you guys don't come at me with the ingredients because I'm just a consumer like yourself. So I'm just gonna look briefly on the ingredients and see if I see any ingredients I know, I'm gonna mention. If I don't know, then I'm not gonna mention because the other ingredients are a bit, I don't know. So anyways, I've been using this product for literally months and months. Yes, there have been days that I have skipped this product because I was too lazy to use it, and sometimes I forgot to use this product. The only time I've used this product is in the evenings. I always use the product in the evenings. It says to use this product in the evenings because you will go to sleep with this. So apply a few drops or as needed, or once daily, ideally at bedtime, to clean dry scalp. Massage into scalp truly. This formula is a leave-in treatment. Do not wash your hair or scalp after application. You may wish to wash your hair the next day to remove the residue. I did not have the problem with the residue. I always had applied a few drops in the evening, then the next morning, and honestly absorbed onto my scalp, so I didn't have to wash off my hair. So I've been using this for months and months, and I've been using this in the evenings. So in terms of the results, we are here for the results. Did this make my hair fuller, thicker and stuff like that? And the answer is no, it didn't. Now, I don't want to be negative regarding this product because in terms of the hair fallout, you guys, it does have an improvement in terms of the hair fallout. I've seen less hair falling out. Is it because of this? Is it because I'm using Barocca, the vitamin C tablets? Is it because I'm using vitamin gummies for my hair? Is it like a concoction of those, of the gummies that I'm using? Or is it just this? The hair fallout was dramatically less, which is a really good thing. So probably this helped with the hair fallout. However, in terms of the hair growth, the only thing with the hair growth I've noticed is at the front. Whenever I use this product, it kind of leaked at the front. So I have seen some baby hairs growing in the forehead area in here, which is actually a really good thing. And before I didn't have it. And again, is it because of this or is it because of the gummies? I never know, but I feel like it was this product. In terms of the hair density, did it make my hair dense, thicker, fuller? And the answer is simply no. It didn't make my hair thicker the next day. It didn't make my hair fuller. In fact, I feel like applying oils like this made my hair even more sometimes worse, because it made it even more thinner because it's oily. So I have like a mixed feeling regarding this product. It's not like a bad product. It's definitely a product to give it a go. Maybe it might work on some people. Now on the website on Cult Beauty, there's so many mixed reviews regarding this. On some people it worked, on some people it didn't. It really depends on your hair type and really depends how your scalp would react regarding this product. What with me, in terms of the results, I didn't see a proper like thicker hair. I only have noticed a little bit of hair growth around the baby hairline in here and stuff like that. So yeah, this was like the results regarding this. I did enjoy using this, to be honest. I feel like this, now whenever I use it, I literally gave my scalp a nice massage, and they say if you massage your hair every single day, you will help your scalp to grow, you will help your roots to kind of wake up and also to kind of grow like the cells of the hair. It makes kind of sense. So whenever I use this, I put a few drops on my scalp and I literally massage my scalp so nicely, and it felt very lovely to do in the evening. So this is quite the things I quite enjoy, to give a nice head massage in the evenings and also applying this oil. So this kind of makes me like, yes, I'm doing something right, massaging my scalp and also applying this thicker density hair to give my hair a nice dense effect. However, when I woke up the next morning, my scalp was obviously dry, because my scalp was dry, so it absorbs the product very nicely. But in terms of the thickness, and the next day, I feel like the hair is not that thick. In fact, it's very flat because you have used an oil. So it's like a mixed feeling regarding this product. It says apply a few drops as needed once daily. So I've been doing that, and I've been using this for a very long time, you guys, now. So it's been now nearly a year or even 10 months or something like that. So I've been using this product quite a lot time. Now let me go back on the website, and in terms of the price, it's not the most expensive product. They have definitely increased the prices for sure. I don't know how much I paid back in the days, but now it retails for £15.80. I feel like I paid for this maybe £10 or £12 or even 15. I'm not too sure how much I paid for this, but they definitely have increased the price. And this product comes in one size, which is a 60 ml, and it retails, as I said, for £15. So 60 ml is the only size that they do. And another thing what I like about this product is the lovely packaging. It comes in a pipette. Everything that comes in a pipette from Ordinary is very lovely, especially this, of course, is the Ordinary. I have not tried actually a lot of Ordinary products. The only products from Ordinary I have tried is one of the face washes back in the days, and of course I still have the AHA and BHA peeling solution, which I like, that comes in a pipette. And of course the hair product comes also in this lovely pipette as well. Very easy to apply, to take a little bit and apply it on your scalp, literally like direct it on your scalp and just massage it in. So this was very easy to use in terms of the usage, in terms of the packaging. I love when oils like this, especially hair oils, come in packaging like this. Would I recommend this product to you guys? I mean, if you're curious, now it's really hard to say, because I do have a really mixed feeling regarding this product. Now I don't want to say anything bad, because I actually had seen no bad side effects. So it's maybe worth giving this product a try. I have honestly used it for a long time, so I feel like for me it's a little bit unnecessary to use another one of these, because this is completely finished now. So if I had like the chance, or if I see the Ordinary somewhere, so if I see this product out and about, I might grab one to give it another go. However, if you have a little bit of spare cash in hand, and if you have the time, or if you're curious regarding this viral TikTok product, this made me buy, basically TikTok made me buy of these, is worth maybe giving it a go. Maybe it might help on your scalp, because honestly it depends on the comments even. It's just like a mixed review regarding this product. Some people like it, some people don't, and I feel like I'm like in between. I feel like it's not a bad product. It might help with like baby hairs and something like that, and also might help with hair density. However, with me it didn't help much with the hair density. One thing I wanted to say is that it does maybe help with the hair like length. My hair is getting very long from the top, so this helped maybe with the hair growth from the existing hair. So it's a very mixed feelings I have regarding this, and I really wanted to film this review right now because I had this product for a very long time, so I need to say goodbye to this and maybe move on to another one. However, I might go and get another one of these if I see this out and about, or if I'm ordering something from Cult Beauty, I might pick another one from those up. And I feel like this was it with this review and stuff like that. So I hope I kind of answered maybe some of your questions. If you are curious regarding this product, definitely give it a go if you're interested. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it with that. So hope you guys found this video all informative and helpful. If you did, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more like beauty, fashion. That was like a mix what I'm going to say, passion. If you like this kind of stuff, then please make sure you're subscribed, and also don't forget to like this video if you like this kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm just rambling on now, and yeah, I'm not making any sense right now, so I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys have a lovely day whenever you're watching this video. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.